Hello and welcome! If you want to improve your English and speak more fluently, you are in the right place. In this video, you will follow me through a full day in my life as a woman in her 30s. By the end of this video, you will not only learn many useful English words and phrases, but also understand how to describe your own daily routine in English. So stay with me until the end, and I promise you will leave with maximum benefit. Let's get started. My day usually begins before the alarm clock rings. I open my eyes and see the soft light of the morning sun through my window. I sit on the edge of the bed, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. The first thing I do is wash my face with cold water and brush my teeth. This helps me wake up and feel fresh.
Brushing your teeth is the best way to start your day.
Then I go to the kitchen and prepare my favorite drink, a cup of hot coffee. The smell of fresh coffee always makes me smile. I sit near the window, sip slowly, and watch the street outside. People are walking, children are going to school, and the city is waking up. It feels like a new beginning every single day. Before breakfast, I write in my small notebook. I write 3 things I feel grateful for. It can be something simple, like a nice phone call from a friend, finishing a good book, or just waking up healthy. After that, I prepare a light but healthy breakfast, boiled eggs with bread or yogurt with some fruit. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and start my work. My job requires me to spend many hours in front of my laptop. To make my space comfortable, I keep a small plant, a candle with vanilla scent, and a bottle of water next to me. Every morning, I write a to-do list. I choose 3 important tasks that I really want to finish. I learned that focusing on a few things is better than trying to do everything. Then, I begin my first hour of work with full concentration. No phone, no social media, just focus. After 1 or 2 hours, I take a short break. I stand up, stretch my body, drink water, and open the window for fresh air. These small breaks help me come back with more energy. In the middle of the day, my body needs movement. I put on my sneakers and go for a walk or light jog in the park near my house. I usually listen to a podcast or some music. Exercise is not only good for my body, but it also clears my mind. While walking, I sometimes get new ideas or solutions to problems I had earlier. When I come back home, it's time for lunch. I love cooking simple but healthy meals, like pasta with vegetables or a big salad with protein. I sit at the table without my phone or laptop. I just enjoy the taste of food slowly. For me, lunch is not only about eating, but also about slowing down and giving myself a break. After lunch, I usually continue working, but it's lighter than in the morning. Sometimes I answer emails, review projects, or learn something new through an online course or a book. Around 3 or 4 o'clock, I take another small break. I sit on the balcony with a cup of tea, look at the sky, and write some notes about my day so far. At night, I slow down my pace. I turn on a warm light in my living room, tidy up the space, and maybe watch a light movie or read a few pages of a novel. Before going to bed, I open my gratitude notebook again and write 3 good moments from the day. It can be a laugh with a friend, finishing a difficult task, or enjoying the sunset. Finally, I put my phone away, turn off the lights, and lie down in bed. I close my eyes and remember, Tomorrow is a new chance, a new beginning. And that is how my day usually ends. So this is my complete daily routine as a woman in her 30s. You can now use the same words and phrases to describe your own day in English. Try it in the comments below. Tell me, what is the most important part of your daily routine? Thank you for watching, and remember, every single day is a new opportunity to improve yourself and also to improve your English.